In modern condenser and evaporator manufacturing, microchannel aluminum tubes play a critical role in compact design and high heat transfer efficiency. Today, we take you inside BOBO Machinery to see how microchannel aluminum tubes are processed with precision and stability. This aluminum microchannel evaporator bending machine integrates tube straightening, cutting, and bending into one continuous automated process. Designed specifically for microchannel aluminum tubes, it ensures consistency from raw material to finished product. Microchannel aluminum tubes are automatically fed, precisely straightened, and cut to length before bending. Stable straightness and accurate cutting lay the foundation for high-quality bending. The intelligent control system allows operators to easily set tube length, bending parameters, and production rhythm through a clear touch interface. The process is stable, repeatable, and easy to operate. During bending, the machine precisely controls force and angle to protect the internal microchannels. Smooth curves are formed without deformation, collapse, or damage to the tube structure. The finished microchannel aluminum tubes feature consistent dimensions, clean bends, and excellent repeatability, perfectly meeting the requirements of condenser and evaporator assembly. Precision for microchannel tubes. Efficiency for heat exchanger production. BOBO Machinery delivers reliable bending solutions for modern HVAC manufacturing.